welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making chocolate matzah treats. I've measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
Before I start, I'm going to rehydrate my raisins. To do this, I put them into a bowl and then pour boiling water into the bowl until it's filled up a little above the raisins. I'm going to let this sit for at least an hour to let the raisins hydrate. Then I'm going to fill a saucepan with an inch of water and let it come to a simmer on high heat. When it starts to simmer, I'm going to put a bowl with my butter and chocolate chips on top of the saucepan. I'm going to stir this until it's fully combined and melted. As you can see, my raisins are now hydrated. Next, I'm going to put my crumbled matzah into the chocolate and butter concoction from earlier. After they're fully combined, I'm going to add in the rest of my chocolate chips and my raisins. Now I'm going to scoop them out. I'm using a 1 tablespoon ice cream scoop, but you can use a measuring spoon. You can also use a larger size if you'd prefer. These will not be baked and will just go into the freezer, so it doesn't make any difference what size they are. Next, I'm going to put them into the freezer so they can set. I will leave them in there for at least an hour. And our chocolate matzo treats are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!